Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with some Nickelodeon slime that I got for Christmas. But first, we are going to be introducing you to my oldest brother, Sean.
Hey guys, Real, how y'all doing today?
I'm doing very well. How about you?
Amazing.
Amazing. Wow, you sound so energetic. Wow.
Yup, so much energy.
Okay. But, we are going to be playing with the slime. And go check out his channel in the description box below. So
this is my piece right here.
yeah. We're just gonna be playing with this slime.
I'm not a big fan of slime.
I'm not I like slime, but I like different types of slime. Like I like a specific type.
Oh, and don't forget guys, if you like this video and subscribe to our channel and mine, we'll make more videos
Together. I'm probably with my
What's our
other brother.
With our other brother. Yeah.
That's the middle child
That's the cameraman.
right now. Yeah. So
Cameraman behind the camera. Is gonna be in front of the camera sooner or later.
and then somebody else, probably my cousin, will be recording the video. But yeah. And now we just talk about randoms. This slime is colorful. Sean, do you like colorful slime?
Not to sound lame, but colorful is not mine. Not me.
Not
I like, not to sound boring, but I like black and white. That's my default outfit. I always wear black and white.
right. Like you're wearing green.
I'm talking about when I go places, when I go to school,
Yeah.
when I go out to eat.
Yeah, you usually when you go to school, you usually wear black and white.
Yep.
You wear your white shoes and a black outfit. Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. And purple.
Is pink.
Yeah, my room is pink. My pillow, my knee is pink. And yeah.
So cameraman, what do you think we should talk about now?
I don't know.
Just come up with an idea. A random idea.
Just a random idea.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is literally Alfredo pasta.
Yeah.
Pizza. I like pizza, Alfredo
I'll have
pasta.
to say if you have to make it, I'll say chicken Alfredo.
Mhm. Yeah.
But if
My
it's,
mom's chicken Alfredo.
but if it's ordering, I have to
No.
go to Salvatore's Pizza
Brio,
and Parmesan wings.
I go to March Pizzeria.
Brio, rate what is that store called?
What store?
The one that we went to before, Chen Garden. 1 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, that is 100. I don't even care if it's 10.
So
It's
me,
100.
I like it, but
You don't really like.
I don't really like. I do like Chinese food, but
Yeah.
I don't like
But
Chen
I
Garden.
don't like it that much.
Yeah, I don't like Chen Garden. I'll give Chen Garden
I can-
like a 6.
I'll give like Chen Garden a solid 8.
I'll give Chen Garden a 6. Oh, by the way, guys. So we come up with this idea that we will try to find that TikTok trend, the candy jelly fruit things.
Oh,
We will
and
try
then
to find it and we'll try to make a video of it. But if not, we got more ideas.
yeah.
Oh,
We're gonna try
and
to make a
leave
video.
video comments down below. In the comments.
That was loud. Not gonna do that again. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Like, subscribe, peace out.